MCQ 3, we are given some rules whereby we're looking at an unstable ion. Right, it has a nuclear number of 217. Nucleon represents the sum of protons plus neutrons. A criteria here whereby there are a total of 50 more neutrons as compared to electrons, and they could range in the atomic number of 84, 85, 86 or 87. Now, atomic number in this case here represents the total number of protons. So just going to get our calculators out really just to calculate, to make sure all the criteria are actually acceptable. So from 84 all the way towards 87, we're going to have PO. In this case, that represents our polonium, and that has an atomic number of 84. Astatine with an atomic number of 85. Radon with an atomic number of 86. And lastly, francium with an atomic number of 87. So now we're just going to sub in the question rule of nucleon of 217 for each of them. So again, ignoring the charges first, right, we will be able to calculate the number of neutrons that's found in these four elements by taking the nucleon number minus the proton number. So again, just a quick job of the calculator. The first one will get us 133 neutrons. Next one is 132, 131, and for the case for francium, this will be 130 neutrons. So the proton number itself is going to stay the same, alright, in the case of an ion, because you only lose or gain your electrons. So let's take a look at the electrons count here. This will then be according towards the number of protons that we have. And since each of them is going to be a positive charge, we're going to take the total number of protons to be the same as electrons as an atom, but we're going to minus off electrons over here. So we're going to take a look at 84 minus 2 to give us 82. That is for polonium 2 plus. Astatine 3 plus, it will be 85 minus 3 to give us 82. And for radon 4 plus, that will be 86 minus 4, again to give us 82. And for the case of francium 5 plus, we're going to have 87 minus 5 to give us 82 as well. So the number we're looking over here is to make sure that the difference between the neutrons and the electrons actually give us a number of 50. So the one that gives us a criteria here would be for the case of astatine, as 132 minusing off 82 give us the number of 50 as the difference that satisfied rule number 2, whereby there are 50 more neutrons as compared to electrons. So the answer for this question here would be B, astatine 3 plus.